Hello to all my wonderful, awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today. If you kind of notice, my tripod is right over here behind me, basically. And we're going to talk about something very important today. Do not lose your mounting plate for your tripod, because this is an important piece for the camera to attach to the tripod. Without this, I cannot use my tripod. But I do have some unboxings for you today, and I did order a couple things for the tripod. If you're curious, here is the actual model number of the mount. And let's go ahead and bring up this guy. Whoops. Without killing my lamp over here. Kind of see though is the name. Hold on. I know you guys and girls can't see it from that distance. Let's go and shrink the head a bit. But there's the make and model of my tripod. For some odd reason, my cat decided to steal this and hit it on me and just played with it basically like a toy. Silly kitty. But we do have an unboxing today. Now, I know some of you are going to say, Chris, I thought you were saving money. Well, I am. But I needed to order something for my tripod. Because my cat likes to steal things. And it's kind of irritating, basically. Now I got the box open. That's what we got in this little bag here. Of course, a receipt. Don't need to see any of that information. And this empty box. Let's go ahead and get this open for all of you to see what I'm after doing. And yes, I do buy a lot of things from B&H, basically. There's a couple of things I have bought as well. Interesting. Those will come in handy for my display. But we're not done yet. We got an unbox. A big box, basically. Let's go ahead and have some fun opening it. I mean, really? Big box for only a couple of small items. Like, really? Kind of interesting. Oh, empty box. Wink. Get out of here. And this is the company I ordered stuff from. B&H Photos. Basically, you can check them out if you want. And this is the other thing. I'm just so curious on why they shipped two packages in two separate boxes. It's interesting, should I say. Oh, we got a little Gumby here. Wink! Wonder where that went to. These are the plates I ordered. I ordered two of them. For backup. In case if my cat steals my original, you know, mounting plate. Got two of them right here. You gotta say, Chris, you got three of them. Well, that is true. I do have three. But this is the original one. These are the three replacements. And by looking at the model, right here, The model does match the mounting plates. Screws the mesh back though. It's all good. My goodness. I didn't realize that thing was that big. Thought that was a little bit smaller. Oh, that's kinda neat. That'll come in handy for something. Awesome. And there's this guy. But alright, if you guys enjoy this this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and have a nice day. If you have a pet cat, make sure he does not steal your mounting plate for your tripod. Catch you later.